Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So to soft reset or force restart operation, we have to kind of force the system to restart itself. It will be useful if for some reason the device stopped working properly, so for example the screen doesn't respond to your touches. To do that, we have to press the power button, which is located right here in this configuration on this left side, and hold it long enough until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let's try to do it. Let me press this button. Of course, we've got this power off or restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. And as you can see, we've got this information. Right now we've got the black screen, which is good. We should have something like the developer's logo. Or it will be just powerful. Okay, we've got it. We've got the developer's logo. We felt the vibration, which means that we just successfully soft reset the device. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.